Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Band 2, and in this video we'll be unboxing it. So the price for it goes for around $40 US. It might be lower, it might be higher, depends on the place. And right here we can check all sides of this box for some information. And on the right side, if you look at it this way, there'll be information that we're looking for. We can see the name of this device, and it's Amazfit Band 2. There's a color which is black, UPC number and other numbers like serial and all kinds of stuff like that. On the left you can get some warning informations. You can read them right here, stop the video if you want. On the bottom there'll be more information like name, model name, USB charging cable, what it should contain, this box, the Bluetooth, all kinds of stuff like that. Now let's take the foil out and try unpacking it. So if you don't want to damage the box, simply follow my steps, open it from one side, and here you should have access. Now let's unpack it. There's nothing on this side, and here's a smartwatch on this side. So it comes with strips already put on, so you can instantly wear it on your wrist. On the bottom you can find instructions. And on the side right here there should be charging cable, but without a socket, so you need to buy socket separately or use the one that you already have. Now let's see on how to charge it, because it probably uses magnets to attach. Like this, you simply put in here and it connects automatically. Now here we can find a sticker, which is just a sticker, it's not the interface. Now let's see where we can power it on. Let's try wearing it, because I think it wants that. So I think this it's discharged and we can't do anything. So just check out our other videos in which we'll show you how to connect to your device and explain on how to adjust its settings. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.